and these wheels are absolutely trash. Immediately disappointed. Silver Mcgaughys lift kit. Looks like 24x14s on the amp tires. 35, 1250, 24. So we got some 24-inch black rhinos. One of these days, I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been leaving, every day I leave work, I drive by the same little place and I keep seeing this red truck that I've been wanting to film for at least a couple weeks now. And I finally just decided, screw it. It's Friday, I got off work a little bit early. Let's go stop by and see this truck. So I've been riding by and seeing this high country sitting over here for at least a couple weeks now. And this is what, a little general collision body shop and service. So I don't know what they got going on over here, but I really wanted to come by and just take a look at this truck. It looks like we've got like a 14 or 15, I think it's a 15 Silverado high country. We got a rough country lift kit on it. Looks like maybe a 6 or 7.5. It's probably 7.5. But one of the coolest things about this truck to me is it's got the big wheels and tires on it, obviously, because that's what we like on the channel. So it looks like we've got some, obviously we got Gladiators, some X comps, which definitely stand out. Doesn't really say what we got. 35, 1250, 24. So we got some 24-inch black rhinos. But one thing that really caught my eye about this truck is the stance. You know, there's not much width to it, but the height looks pretty good. So it's something I really liked about this, and it just really caught my eye driving down the road every day. Is red truck, big 24s lifted, but I don't know. I've been wanting to go snowflakes or some kind of replica on the truck, but seeing it sitting like this, it just really kind of turns me off, because when you turn around and you see the big stance like this, I mean, big wide stance versus no stance at all. I mean, there's definitely no comparison there. Looks like there's another truck down here. I really like this one though. Ooh, okay. So we got all silver Mcgaughys lift kit, color matched amp tires, color matched tail lights. Now this is clean. This is something I can get behind. Look at the big trump on the back. That's pretty cool. We got some gear forged. Looks like 24x14s on the amp tires. I mean, that's clean. Cognito upper control arms. That's a good looking truck. He's probably sitting in it. He's probably sitting in it looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? That's a pretty clean truck. Y'all like that? What do y'all think? Y'all like this wide chrome stance better than the red truck over there? I don't know. I'm definitely digging the chrome wheels. Mcgaughys lift kit. I mean, you really can't go wrong. Clear side markers. Looks like it's got some wheel lights on there. Double row wheel lights. That's a pretty clean freaking, I like that. I really like that. One of these days, I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble from just showing up at people's shops and filming people's trucks. I mean, normally I don't really ever, nobody really ever says anything to me, or, you know, normally nobody even really probably ever notices that I do it. But I feel like at some point, one day, the day's gonna come where shit's gonna hit the fan. Now that I think about it, did you guys notice how tall that truck was? I mean, I don't know if you guys could tell, the upper control arms on that truck were like really maxed out. So I feel like there had to have been a leveling kit or something. It was really cold, and I had a weird vibe at that little shop I was at, so I was trying to film for a minute and leave, if you guys couldn't tell. But that truck sits really tall. The angles were really off, and when I go back and look at the thumbnail picture, it looks really tall to be sitting on 35s, because those were 2414s on a 35-inch tire, and they looked good, but the proportions on the truck were just a little off, I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For those of you that don't know, I'm driving down to Florida tomorrow with Thomas, who drives the Hummer, for those of you that don't just know who Thomas is. We're driving down to Florida tomorrow, and Christina has given me strict instructions not to take the lawnmower. So, for whatever reason, Christina just really does not want me to take the lawnmower, so I'm gonna be a good boy, and I'm going to take the lawnmower out of the back of the truck. Yes, I know, a lot of you guys that are going to the show this weekend really wanted to see the lawnmower, but unfortunately, Rhonda's not gonna make the trip with us. But give me just a second. I do gotta take some other stuff out of the truck once we get home, but them wheel lights though. Them wheel lights looking fresh, you know. Actually, I think this is gonna be the first time that I've ever been down to Tallahassee with working wheel lights. I think all the times that I've gone back, the wheel lights haven't been working. So I think this will be the first time anybody in Tallahassee will actually get to see the wheel lights in person. So I'm pretty excited about that, actually. What do you guys think? You guys think I cleaned the wheels for the show this weekend? That bread gang is still written in the wheels from like 2 weekends ago when we went to Augusta for the Toys for Tots show. Definitely leaving that on the front. I might take the Christmas tree with me, I don't know, but huge shout out to Elevate Audio for hooking your boy up with the wheel light install. So glad I finally got these put on. They look so good. What's up, guys? So some of you might know, some of you might not. The guys over at JW Motorsports are giving away a CTS3 monitoring system. If you guys don't know what that is, go over to JW Montoya's Instagram or YouTube channel. He's been messing around with them a lot recently. They are doing a giveaway for one of those awesome products. If you guys have not seen it on his channel, like I said, make sure you guys go check it out on his channel. But it is a great way. It's a monitoring system that goes on your dash or on your A-pillar. I think that's an A-pillar, right?
I think so.
Maybe, I don't know. It goes on your pillar here or on your dash, and it helps you monitor everything about your truck. It lets you monitor the engine, transmission, all the different, you know, just little things about your truck digitally right in front of your face. Gas mileage, you know, all that great stuff. And you can also hook up things to it. You can hook up light bars to it. I know JW has his train horns and his horns hooked up to it. I mean, a lot of great features with those CTS products. But like I said, JW at JW Motorsports is giving away a CTS3. So make sure you guys go check out JW Motors. I think it's JW_motorsports.co. It's a mouthful. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. Make sure you guys go check them out. Awesome guys giving away a great product. Your chances are pretty high. So make sure you guys check them out. Enter the giveaway. I need to enter one to get one because I don't have one. So maybe I'll go do that.
Oh my god, it says Bread Gang.
It says, yeah, I wrote Bread Gang on the wheels.
I didn't know.
Look at you, cutie. Anyway, there's been a truck that's at the local Chevy dealership that I've been wanting to look at for a while. And obviously we got the truck right back here behind me. I'm immediately disappointed. Because I saw this truck sitting up on the curb up there. We've looked at some trucks up on the curb before, and normally they have a big blow up Santa, which they don't have up right now. And again, I'm pretty disappointed. But I want to show you, there's one specific reason why we came by to look at this truck today. The main reason that we wanted to come today was because of the red wheels. Now you guys know when we do new wheels on my truck in the Tahoe, we're going to be doing red wheels. And I saw these wheels over here. I've never actually seen the compression forged red wheels in person. And I was actually pretty excited to come by and actually just get a good in-person look at the color of these wheels. Now, as you guys can tell, this is probably what, a 2019 6.2 Denali or 6.2 AT4. I mean, this is a pretty new truck, and these wheels are absolutely trashed. So they either came on the truck and somebody has completely torn these up, or they put them on there afterwards and they put some, like, I mean, look at those wheels. These wheels are trashed. But that's not the point. That's not why we came by today. We came because we wanted to look at the color. And as far as the color goes, I'm not impressed. I thought I was gonna be. I was really looking forward to seeing these red, I guess they're a red, is it iodide? Iodized red. It's some kind of red chrome. I don't remember what the hell it's called, but I was really looking forward to seeing this, like I said, and I'm not really impressed with this color. I'm gonna be honest. It looks a lot better on the camera than it does in person, but I mean, it's still not bad. But it just, I don't know, definitely not what I would want to go on the truck. I definitely want to go more of a polished look than that. Just, that's almost the color of my bullet antenna is what that is, and I don't really like that. I want it to be more of a true red, more of like one of those reds. Can y'all see that neon, that brighter candy red? I don't know. I was pretty excited to come by and look, and upon closer inspection, now this dually's kind of cool though, but the red wheels, I don't know. I'm not feeling that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.